You can earn money to use AI free tools. These cozy horror videos are pulling insane numbers right now. This Instagram account has gained over 114,000 followers in this niche, and their videos have hit 83 million, 20 million, and 17 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Cozy Horror Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you a list of 10 different horror scenarios to choose from. Just pick your favorite and type the number in. I'm going to go with number 7. The GPT will now give you a detailed image prompt and a video prompt to create your video. Just copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In generating your image, OpenArt, head over to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:6 and 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit generate. Here's what my images look like. The warm lantern light against those dark figures outside while they're just sleeping. That contrast is exactly what makes this niche work. So just Chapter 5, generating your video. Pick your favorite one and click Image to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0 for the video model. Now, go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is on. Set it to 5 seconds and 1080p and hit generate. And that's all it takes. The same style of videos pulling 83 million views on Instagram, done in minutes. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out.